Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vishal, and in our session today, I'll tell you how we can generate multiple QR codes in simple 3 steps, and that too without having any knowledge on specific tool or language. In fact, I'll tell you how we can generate these QR codes in 3 different applications, which are Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint presentation, and Microsoft Word. Let's see how we can do so. But before proceeding with this implementation, I would like to tell you all that if you are a Windows user, then you will need Office 2013 or later versions of it. Whereas if you are a Mac user, then you will need Office 2016 or later versions of it to find this add-in present in your respective application. Okay, so first let's start with Excel application. As you can see, we have this Excel file open wherein we have 3 columns: website, URL, and QR code. We have the respective values as well. So let's say we want to generate the QR code of our Amazon website in this particular cell. So as I mentioned, we have 3 simple steps by which we can do so. So our first step is go to this home tab, and here on the top right corner, we can see we have an add-ins section. Simply click on it. And here under these multiple add-ins, we simply have to go for QR for Office. So our first step is to add this option. Now this particular window will open for you. Now let me quickly brief you with the options available here. So first is wherein we have to enter the URL. So here we have a drop down as well, wherein there are certain prefixes like HTTP, HTTPS, mail to, and few more. So as per our requirement, we can make use of any of these given options. And in this text box, we have to enter the remaining URL. Then we have options section, wherein the first of which is color. So if we want our QR code to be generated under a certain color, we can make use of these given options. So for now, I'll just keep it black. Then second is background. So here by default white is selected, but we can make our own selection. So let's keep it white only. Then third is size. So we can adjust our size in the way we want. So let's keep it as it was, which was 75 by 75 pixels. And then last option is error correction. So here it offers us 4 options: low, medium, quartile, and high. Let's keep it medium as it was. And as you can see, it shows us the preview as well. Now let's make use of these options. Now second step is to copy the given URL. Now as I mentioned, prefix is already selected. So let's simply copy the remaining URL, select the respective prefix we want, and then paste the respective remaining URL. Now if we want to change the color, background, or size, we can do so. And third step is to activate the cell where we want this QR code to be generated. Now we have activated this cell. Now third step is to simply click on insert button. Now as you can see, our QR code is generated for our Amazon website. Now similarly, we can go for Myntra website as well. Let's copy this, activate this cell, paste the remaining URL here, and insert. Now as you can see, we have the QR code for Myntra website as well. Similarly, we'll copy for money control as well. Copy this, activate this cell, simply overwrite the remaining URL from money control. Now this time, let's try to change the color and background as, let's keep it blue maybe. Yeah. So let's click on insert. Now as you can see, we have made use of the options available here and generated the QR codes for 3 different websites and in 3 simple steps only. I hope it was easy for you all to grasp it. Now let's move to our next application, which is PowerPoint. As you can see, there are 3 partitions made here. First is YouTube, Google Maps, and Ageo. Then you can also notice that I have already generated the QR codes for you, and that is by going to this home tab, then clicking on add-ins, selecting this respective add-in, and then once this window will open, I've entered the correct URL, selected the color options, background, size, error correction, and after selecting the correct partition, I have just clicked on insert, and this is how I made it for Google Maps and Ageo as well. And I'm pretty much sure that you'll follow these steps in this application on your own. Now let's move to our last and third application for this session, which is Microsoft Word. Here again, as you can see, we have a table wherein we have website, URL and QR code. We have three different websites and the respective URLs, and here I have already generated the QR code for you. Now, all I have done here is clicked on Home tab, performed the same step of clicking on add-ins, selected the add-in which is QR for Office, and perform the same steps which we have already discussed in two different applications, which were Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. You can perform the same steps here as well and get your respective QR codes. So see, how easy was it to generate the QR code by using three simple steps for any of the websites we want. So if you like the session, you can simply subscribe to my channel and give your thumbs up. Bye bye.